Welcome to Particle Pharma. Hope you all are fine. In my previous session, I have already talked about crop storage and how it is done and why it is required. It can be done by following traditional and modern methods for both small scale crop storage and large scale crop storage. So today I'll be discussing about the applications of AI in crop storage. So among them the first one is sensors. It is a tiny device which is fitted in storage area. What it is doing? It is measuring what the parameters such as CO2, temperature and humidity. So it is analyzing the real-time data to check if there is any abnormalities in these parameters. I am taking an example of temperature. If there is a sudden spike in temperature, it indicates the presence of pest or moisture. What they have to do is they have to switch on the fans so that the moisture will get reduced or the crop should get dried out, but not to the extreme level. So be ready for hyper personalized storage conditions where it is not only checking the environment but also reading the freshness, reading the health and ripeness of individual batch or each batch of crop. So I'll take an example of apple or rice grain where it is evaluating or predicting the perfect conditions to increase the freshness and reduce the waste. So it's like an doctor for single apple or rice grain. Coming to the automated environmental control system. What it is? This system, it uses the data from the sensors which it has already calculated. So what it is doing? It is automatically adjusting, as name indicates, it is automatically adjusting what? Ventilation or cooling in the storage facilities. If sensors detect any kind of abnormality, the systems automatically react. It is also helping by optimizing these adjustments so that this problem should not arise in the future. So how it is helping in the future? By it is evolving into AI driven global supply chain along with warning system for food security. What it is? How it is doing? It is not only connecting a single facility but also the farm and market, so that the whole world, means in the world, whole world will come to know that how much amount of crop storage is there in specific location, so that if anybody is required they can contact them. Next one is it will also predict the global need of food, so that if anybody is requiring that much amount of food they can easily contact them. Here availability is there, it's like a business deal. Here whatever need is required, if anywhere they can easily contact it. Along with that, it is also optimizing the transportation. Now you might be thinking, is this a crop storage or what? Transport business. So they are also helping in transportation routes by minimizing the waste everywhere, so that the food is getting transported from one place to another place if it is not required at that place or the at local place. Otherwise what they will do? They will throw it if they don't require it. At least some people, those who are needy, they can have it. And at last it is also acting as guardian. I repeat, it is also acting as guardian. How? By predicting the potential food shortages. How? If any climatic conditions are going to arise due to which the food is going to get spoiled, so beforehand only it will give the information and it will ask the farmers or whoever is involved in it to save the food. or if any event is going to happen, they will tell that this event is going to take place, so please store your food beforehand only. So like that it is going to help it. So moving on to the next one. Next application is predictive pest defense. What it is? Let me tell you. It analyzes the historical data, okay, which is already written, as well as the data from the current sensors, which I have already discussed, along with weather forecast. Why it is doing all those things? To predict. What it is predicting? When and where. What, when and where the mold are most likely to attack. When and where the mold is going to attack onto the crops, so that the farmer should be prepared beforehand, and they should take preventive steps like targeted spraying onto the target plant or target part of a plant, so that the amount of using of chemicals is reduced before big infestation starts. So what may be the future of predictive pest defense? Just imagine that drones or robots, they can patrol to a specific area or storage area where where human being cannot easily go, and they will eliminate the individual pest or batch of a pests. I repeat, they will eliminate the individual pest or batch of a pest without needing to spray the chemicals or reducing the amount of chemicals. It's like having a special forces team for the crops. Next one is the monitor and smart packaging. So the drones, they are fitted with special cameras, can fly over a field or storage area. They can fly over the storage area, and they can easily go to the places where human being cannot go, and they can find out the warm spots, means danger. This is going to happen, that crop is going to get infested, that crop is going to get wasted, that crop is going to get spoiled. All these things, information, the drones can easily give, and we can come to know that what it is seeing. So in future, how it is going to help this smart packaging. So in smart packaging, I mean to say, in boxes or bags, a chip is going to be installed, where this chip is going to give information about the freshness, whether the product is fresh or not, when it is packed, all these things. As well as it will communicate with the reader or whoever is going to buy that. What it will communicate, like about their status. I am still fresh, or I am about to ripen, or eat me soon, so that I should not get wasted. Otherwise, by using this much AI, what is the use if food is going to get wasted? All these things they can communicate, like it will be like displayed. So by this, AI is helping us to reach to that level which we haven't imagined it in the future. Let's see, I am also here, you are also here, what AI unfold us for us. So I will be meeting you in my next session. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.